to go ahead at this time, you can write it in your booklet. Let's write it in your booklet, the answer. Okay, so you have the answer at home correctly. Okay, number 6, discrete is AFJ. AFJ. Continuous is BC, right? D, what else? E, what else? G, H, I, K, and L. Okay, who disagree or who? Yes.
What is B is not discrete?
B is continuous because the lines are connected. The dots are connected. This is, no, I'm sorry, this is continuous. B is continuous because there's a line connecting the dots. Okay? You understand? Okay, let's look at increasing. Okay, whose group believe their increasing is correct? Destiny? A, B, F. Who agrees or who agrees? Is she correct? Yes. Is she correct? Look at F. Shh. What did I say about F? Let's look at F. Is this F increasing? No. Is it decreasing? No, it is neither. Sorry. F is neither. F goes to neither. Okay? Decreasing, who has decreasing? What's your name? Andrew. E, what else? That's it? There has to be more decreasing than that. K, what else? Is that it? E and K, is he right? Yes. E and K. So your table got it. Your table all agreed to it? All right. Who has graphed both increasing and decreasing? Whose table has increasing and decreasing answer to? Samantha? Jessamine? Okay. The increasing and decreasing, what you got to What? The table for both increasing and decreasing. C, H, and L. Are they correct?
Yes.
C, H, and L. Any disagreement? Anyone else with anything else? That's not all the answer. How many answers did you get? Okay, what's the one that's missing? I. Did you all get that at this table? You sure? Because I don't see you guys anything on your table. Oh, okay. Sure you all. Okay. Now, neither increasing or decreasing. Let's add to the letter F. Ethan. D. D. G. G.
And J.
And J. Well, if you just eliminate what's not on the other two, right? Or 3. You all agree here? Did you guys all did this? All right. Okay, the last, linear and nonlinear. Which group would like to try both? Okay, your group all have, which group? I haven't called you. No, I just did. Who have I not called? Your group, linear and nonlinear? what's linear? You can read it. Bless you. Go ahead. The recorder. A, B, F, G, K. And the other one? C, D, E, H, I, J, L. Are they right?
Yes.
Yes. Are they correct?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions? All right, let's go to today's lesson. 2-2, day 2. I'm sorry. Okay, I need you to, here's what I need you to listen to. Okay? Make sense of graph. On here, on page 62. On page 62. Okay? Yes, put it back in your barn here. Okay. Okay, I'll get to you guys. Okay, I need you to go. Okay, let me explain this before I let you guys help each other. Okay? Page 62. On the side here, I want you to write this down. On the side under 2. Okay? Last night's homework, you guys, I really, if you write both, I don't know both water and solid, both, you need to tell me both increase and decrease. Just don't write both. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do not just shorten it. It needs to be in complete sentences. Actually, and I've abbreviated that enough. Don't even shorten it anymore. Don't abbreviate. If you tell me both, you need to tell me both what? You need to be thorough in your response. Okay? Otherwise, it's half credit. Okay? Now, if it's going like this, it is going up. Right? If it is like this, this is their stopping. Increase, this is a stop. They went home, they stopped and watched TV. They drove somewhere. This means, okay, let me do a heartbeat. If we do a heartbeat, okay, a heartbeat goes like this and like this, right? Okay, this means it's going up, then it's coming down, going up, coming down, correct? And then sometimes you hear that beep. What's that? It stopped working. They stopped whatever it is they're doing. So I want you to analyze the graph between answers number A, B, and C, and analyze the graph. Analyze the graph between 0 hours to 2 hours. So the hours are at where? At the side or at the bottom? Bottom. The hours is here. 0 to 2 hours. How far from home was Greg after driving 2 hours? Answer those questions in your groups. Answer them in your group, please. Help each other out.
Okay.
A, B, C, and D, you guys. Okay. Don't write just both. I did that too. Don't write just both. Tell me what the Hey guys, I need you to answer these questions. Make sure you're working together on these.
Oh my god, you know what I thought? Like, versus something, right? I One Direction was in like a class labs or classes too. Wait, no, I'm kind of losing interest. Two, I'm going to Imagine Dragons.
Imagine Dragons.
I'm going to One Republic and Imagine Dragons. Imagine Dragons. No, okay, look. Okay, so first of all, there's and one became or one became like the rocks. I can't drive. Now the fourth one's like, no, they turned to hippies. Yes! They could be hippies. But then I'm like, why would he like, just the beginning sounds like didn't go like, I have my sister to
Stop!
like, during half the summer, I was kind of like One Direction, and like, when I was like, oh god, friends over here, so man, this is 2 hours.
Soccer didn't record for 2 hours to get time off of your parents. Or you
No, you know what makes sense for her? You know what makes sense for her? You don't try to take him.
So right
Anymore.
don't really go on.
Yeah, say it out loud. That's really.
Yes.
This other guy.
Hey, time's up.
How fast is
Who got this whole table got the same answer? Okay, are you guys all done? A, B, and C? You're done with C? No, you need to go C. Okay, let's do number 1 and 2. I mean A and B. Most of you going around, you got so far, how far from the home was Greg after driving 2 hours? Now on your homework, you really need to start writing in complete sentences. It says Greg. Okay, I'm going to check for this on your homework. You do not just write 120. It's no longer that type of math. This is Common Core. You need to write it out. Greg drove 120 miles in 2 hours. No one hates it worse than me. You know why? I can't even write a complete sentence. So writing something like this, I understand some of you just want to write 120 miles, but you can't. You need to write incomplete sentences. If your grammar is wrong, I won't know the difference. I can't write myself. Okay? Unless it's horrible, I can't understand it, and that's different. How fast did Greg drive during this time? Explain your reasoning. How fast? What's your name again? Alexis. 60 miles. He drove 60. Greg drove 60 miles. What?
He goes 60 miles per hour because 60 times 2 equals 120.
Because 60 times 2 equals to 120 miles. Okay, how else did you reason it? Did someone else reason it differently? Yes. You divide what? 120 by 2. What? So any other person figure it out a different way besides dividing it? Yes.
We subtracted 180 because that's like the farthest mile from 120. Then you get 60 and then 60 and then 60 times the miles the time you drove in.
I don't get it. Total. And you subtract the mile at the time he drove all together. All right. Okay, number 3, C. How do you know Greg traveled the same rate for the first 2 hours? How do you know? Yes. Because using the graph. They're asking you, okay, you guys, when they put here, describe in terms of the graph, that means using the graph. How do you know that he was driving 160 miles per hour? That was his speed. When he puts the gas, it was 60 miles, and he did that for 2 hours. How do you know that? Using the graph. I want you to discuss that amongst your table. What is it?
You drive 60 miles. Every time it's 60 hours.
You go up at 60 miles.
Oh, no, you switch it when you get to 160. You're like, wait, I was one of the people.
Okay, very good.
Daydreaming.
Shh. No more candy because I'll run out before the end of the day. All right. Very good. I'm hearing a lot of good answers. So some of the answers I heard is here's 1 hour, and it shows that it's going 60 miles. And then from the first hour to the second hour, here's second hour right here. It's also from 60 to 120, it's also another 60. So the rate of change, we call this the rate of change is the same. The first hour, they went up 60, and then the second hour, it also went up 60. This is called the rate of change, or what we in math call slope. the slope are the same. It's 60 over 2. 60 over 2 each time, or whatever it is. 60 over 1. Actually, 60, they went up 60 over 1 hour. 60 over 1. The rate of change is the same. Do you see that? We call the slope is the same. Now, analyze between 2 and 2.5 hours. What happened between 2 and then 2.5 hours? Tell each other what it is. You stopped to do what?
He went. I don't understand.
No. Right. Look at the printer. Printer.
Printers.
We have next one.
So between 2 and a half hour he stopped, right? And then can we continue reading the graph from here? What is between 2.5 hours to 5 hours or 4.5 hours? What happened? He continued driving, right? For how many miles? Okay. Let's go ahead. So let's look at number 3. You can answer the rest, right? B and C. How fast was he driving during this time? If he didn't go anywhere, how fast was he driving? 0 miles per hour. Describe the shape of the graph. What is it? On the next page. 63. Describe the shape of the graph. Neither increasing or decreasing, right? The graph is neither increasing or decreasing, correct? If you look at that graph, it's just a flat line like this, correct? So that is neither increasing or decreasing. Does that make sense? Okay. Complete the table. So they want you, tonight's homework, a lot of tonight's homework is this, is completing the table. Is 0 to 2 hour. It's sequence A. Greg travels 120 miles per hour at a rate of 60 miles an hour. 0 to 2.5 hours. So they break it down to where he stopped. Do you see that? These intervals do not have to be the same. Here's what from 0 to 2. 2 to 2.5. Greg took a half-hour break or whatever. You write. The story you write. And then C would be what? C is what? From what hour? 2.5 to 4.5, right? To 4.5. And you describe to me you describe this part. He's moving. Give me how far he went. How far did he go?
60 miles.
Total?
Oh, 180.
No, he went from 120 to 180. How many miles is that? 60? So he went 60 miles. You were right the first time. He went 60 miles. In how many hours? How many hours is that?
2 hours.
In 2 hours. So that means what? Means he goes how many hours per hour? How many miles per hour?
2 hours.
How many miles per hour? 30 miles per hour. Do you get this? Means he goes 30 miles per hour, right? So in 1 hour he went how many miles? 30 80 miles, right? In 2 hours, he went 60. Now, what happened next to the graph? What happened here? He stopped. Make up a story and why he stopped. He stopped to eat. 4.5 to 5.5? 4.5 to 5.5. He stopped to eat. Whatever. He stopped and chat with friends. He's Googling it. Texting safely. He went to Starbucks. I don't care. Then E. Do you understand what to do for E? E is from 5.5 to 8. Right? Any question on how to fill out the table? And then E, F, G. Okay? And then I wanted to finish this swimming pool thing. Why don't we do the swimming pool? This is as homework. Okay? And then the assignment book, it is page, I meant to put it up there and I did not.
Wait, only 64 page.
Your homework is, I forgot to write the page down. 31, do page 31 and 32.
And where?
In your assignment book, page 31. Okay, do this one, number 4. Do this number 4. Try that on your own. Okay? Complete this table on your own. Yes, 31 and 32. Oh, sorry. Okay, here. I want you to do number 4. Okay? Do number 4. This is a pool. It's a swimming pool. Okay, what happens with the swimming pool? Okay? You need to describe it. And then make the table. Fill it out.
Can you show us?
This is the assignment book. Do the assignment book. That is no. Now we just finished 4. Do the assignment book. Most likely you need to watch it on YouTube.
Yeah, but they take the middle as a different version.
It doesn't matter. You fill it.
He is a Jewish anyways.
It's basically saying nothing works to show you your audience. You get a died. Dude, I was and they're like, oh my god, they're like, are you
I'm going to stop recording.